Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. This Olympiad problem look easy, but 90% of students get it wrong. By the end of this video, you will master the trick. Let's start. N square minus n cube equals 36. You have to find the value of n. So how we will solve this question? First of all, we will write this as n square minus n cube minus 36 equals 0. Now we will write this as n square minus n cube minus 27 plus 9 equals 0. Then we write this as n square minus n cube minus 27 is the cube of 3 and 9 is the square of 3 equals 0. We will arrange this as this will become n square minus 3 square and minus n cube minus 3 cube equals 0. So this will become n square minus 3 square, minus is common, so n cube minus 3 cube equals 0. So this will be plus when we take n is common. So we will recall the important formulas of a square minus b square, that equals a minus b into a plus b. And the other one is when we have a cube plus b cube, that equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we will apply these two important formulas here. So we get n minus 3 into n plus 3. And here we have n plus 3 into n square minus 3 of n plus 9 equals 0. Now take n plus 3 as common. Remaining is n minus 3. Then minus n square plus 3 of n minus 9 equals 0. So n plus 3 equals 0. This is the first factor, and the other one will be, we have for the next one, when we solve this, it will become minus n square, 3n plus n is 4n, and minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12 equals 0. This is for the other one. Now we will solve this. We get n equals minus 3, and for this one, when we take minus as common, so n square, this will be minus 4n plus 12 equals 0. Now we have to make the factors of 12 such that when they are, so n equals minus b means minus 4 plus minus b square 16 minus 4 of a into 12 and divided by 2. So this will become 16, 12 into 4 is 48. 48 minus 16 is minus 32. So this is 4 plus minus root minus 32 divided by 2. That means n equals, it will become 4 plus minus root 32 iota divided by 2. So this will be the complex. So we will consider only the real root of this. So, or simplifying this, we get, when we solve this further, we get first root is n minus, and this will be 4 by 2 plus minus 32 is 2 power 5 means 4 root 2 iota divided by 2. So we get n equals 2 plus minus 2 root 2 iota. So this is the value of n. Now we will do the verification. Verify at n equals minus 3. So minus 3 square minus 3 cube, that means 9, and minus into minus 27, 9 plus 27, that equals 36. Now you can see by taking left hand side we have proved right hand side. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.